Hey girlfriends, what's goody, what's up, what's good? So in today's video, I will be creating this look using my favorite palettes in the world. So let's jump straight into this video because my son is like, girl, what are you doing? You already finished, what are you doing? So let's just jump right in. So I already washed my face and put on moisturizers like maybe an hour ago, so it's nice and sunk in. I'm going to be using the Mega Cushion foundation, only if it's my shade. Very cute. I'm just gonna test the shade here. Oh, so it looks like it might work. So I'm gonna use it. Is it gonna work? Oh wow. I literally just grabbed it because it was the only one. And I was like, no, I want it. I don't really use cushion foundations. I know you guys know because I don't even think I've ever reviewed a cushion one. Maybe putting one too much. This thing is not that bad though. Like, look at this side, it's blended. Right, I just have to get in there. Doing your makeup with a wig on is like work. All right. I have no primer on, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks like I have no pores right there. I like that a lot. Cicatrice 1 drop coverage going in. And I do just 1 drop, and it's enough for both sides. Kind of want to use that sponge that I just used for my face. I'm just gonna use this, literally the tiniest amount. I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna first give myself a all-nighter spritz. So today we're going in with the Tati Beauty. The What's the Tea from the balm is, I guess it says Iced Tea Eyeshadow. The rundown is the shade, not Iced Tea. So I feel like that's a pretty gray tone. It kind of goes with the palette, so we'll do it. I'm gonna use this Sonia Kashuk brush, and I'm just gonna brush Aura, the matte one, the first. All over the lid. Here's what the eyes look like. A little bit of Aura. Using this Eco Tools brush. It's like super weird, to be honest. We're gonna go straight to the dark brown. Ritual. And I'm putting that only in the crease. I get too nervous to apply it. Unless it's like a rainbow color or something, then I'll just like stamp it. When it comes to like brown and black, I'm like, oof, go slow girl, go slow. Using the same brush, I'm gonna go in with Poet lightly. I'm just gonna start scrubbing that towards the bottom. Now I'm going in with Story. Right above that. Now I'm gonna go in with Ritual again and a little bit of the sequin Ritual. Focus that on the outer. And then I'm gonna switch my brush. I always forget, I can't. Going with Real Techniques brush. Pretty sure this is a shadow brush, not a blending brush, but I'm gonna try to do. I'm going in with the sequin Ritual shade. Just adding a little bit of sparkle. It's kind of looking confusing, right? Let's unconfuse because I'm confused. I don't think I've ever tried the balm eyeshadows, so I am excited. right into the outer. Oh yeah, that's super dark. Now I'm gonna go in with Poet sequin shade. Has like blue sparkles in it. I'm going to rebrush over where Poet is already. Just brushing Poet sequin all over my lid. You can kind of see the blue shimmer in that Poet shade. Super cute. I'm just brushing it off on my hand and then blending lightly all of these shades together. So I feel like that's kind of what I thought I was gonna do, but kind of not. I'm gonna also just lightly scrub on the metallic. I'm just gonna lightly like pass over. I've never done that before. It looks like a cheap, you know when you get those cheap shimmer shadows? That's what it's giving me. But it's cute right now because it's not cheap. I love this palette. Has to be my favorite palette of 2020. It would have been the other palette, but we not with pedophiles or supporters. So I'm gonna use this Sonia Kashuk smaller brush thing. I'm gonna use it for my inner corner. I am gonna go in with glitter. I'm gonna take that Aura glitter. And I know she said not to put it in your eye, but I've been wanting a rainbow glitter inner corner for so long. I don't know who did it first. I don't really care. Just know that it's so pretty, like Screaming Cotton Candy, Back to School, like literally just this mascara and gloss. Now I'm going in with this Eco Tools brush. We're going to buff the lighter Soothe brown shade towards the bottom. Do want to mix some of that, the Balm shade, but first let's see how this looks. I feel like this side has more than this side. Let me know below, guys. When you do your eyeshadow, do both sides look different? More like the outer, this thing. I don't know why. I feel like it's just because it's on the opposite side of your face. Just like painting your toes, which is random. Okay. I think I'm gonna put literally like a dash of the Poet, just because it's screaming pink, but not really. So let's put pink. It wants it, I feel it. Now we're gonna put some liners on because I look crazy. Now for the waterline, we're going to use this LA Color pencil. So for liner, I'm using the W7 liquid liner. And this liner is not bad for $1. Let's zoom in more. See, look, I got a pretty sharp line on one try. I haven't even licked it off or anything, and I didn't dip again. I usually put my finger on my nose when I do this side. For this side, since I don't have an extra nose, it's like, where do I put my finger? And it's super annoying. I have this e.l.f. mascara. Where are you? e.l.f. Upside down, of course. Volume plumping mascara. We're gonna put this on and then determine if I think I need lashes, because I do have nice long curly lashes. I am gonna get some lash extensions tomorrow. Finally. Hashtag bruh. Like, I don't even know how it's gonna be. So now I'm even more nervous about that. But I do like that this mascara is not clumpy. What I don't like about most mascaras is that they get clumpy. The only ones I like Are you serious? I keep messing up this side. Hold on, let me get my lips together. I'm gonna go in with the Red Kiss lip oil thing by Elf, of course. So it's kind of like a little lip tint gloss situation. Let's see if this works. If not, I am gonna pop on the plumping gloss also. I love this. Now for brows, my favorite part. I literally hate this part because it's just like, I can't do Instagram brows. Maybe I should do a video where I just like commit and try to do full on Instagram YouTube brows. Right now I'm just using the Elf Brow Well. There's like little fibers in there to fill in. For lazy people like me. I don't know, it just, the whole thing with eyebrows, like plucking them, keeping up with them, you guys know I have to be like the queen of not doing my eyebrows. There's so many videos that are so ugly because there's so much hair everywhere, like unibrow, everything. I'm pretty sure you guys can name. This is the problem I've come into. I don't have a highlighter. I need a highlighter, and I'm like this is cute, but because my eyes have this color, I need highlighter. So I'm gonna try to use, I keep re-looking to see if I really didn't pack a freaking highlighter, and I really didn't. So I'm gonna try to go in with, yes, you're about to hear me right, the glitters from Tati's palette. I'm gonna try it lightly first. Gonna go in with Soothe. Kinda doing it, but kinda not. But you can kinda see it. So it's just gonna be like glitter, but that's it. I'm not putting no more. That's it. It's just like when you walk past me, like, that moment. It's all for that. Literally for nothing else. I'm gonna contour my nails a little bit using the same. Oh God, are you serious? Same Hoola bronzer that just fell upside down on the floor. So I'm totally not putting more. So hopefully this does the trick. And this is the Sonia Kashuk brush. This thing hugs your nose. Look at, like, the shape is so weird. But like right here when it's time to contour, you're just like perfect. I don't know, random fact. For the first time though ever, I think I'm going to say that the cushion thing is approved. If I didn't have acne here, it would look way nicer. The bronzer, you guys know how I feel about the bronzer. I only use it because I got another one in a mini form, and I'm like, alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this situation that I don't even know how it happened because it looks nice now, but before I was like, oh man, losing subscribers today. And this part, oh. Alright, it was AliExpress hair. Full lace moment though, very nice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos.